Recording in progress.
Okay, ladies, gentlemen, and aunties, trailblazers, ambassadors, welcome, generals, honorary members to week to this week. And today on the growth room, I'm going to go through skill number 6, and it's called plug into the system. So over the history, there's a couple of skills that we need to master, and if you master them over time, and I'm going to say it on this call tonight, you will make more money than you can imagine currently if you master this. But here's the challenge. People are educated and kind of brainwashed to say, okay, I need to study first, then I will earn. And that is why I believe so many people are hiding from the fact that we need to do the work. Because they always say, okay, no, I'm going to do this first. And then, no. That is unfortunately not the truth. You can grow as you go. And that's why our systems are so powerful. Anyway, so we've handled skill 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Tonight I'm going to go 6. So we'll see next week 7, and then we'll go into the 3 that is absolutely unique to us, which is anchor, build, and think in years, not weeks. So tonight we're going to do one that I believe is probably, let me just see. Yeah, I would say this one is probably the most powerful one of all of them. If I have to pick one and say this one is the most powerful one, it is number 6. It is this one. Plug into the system. Because if you're not plugged in, you're in trouble. If you are not plugged in, you are outside. If you are not plugged in, you don't have the information. You don't have the updated stuff. You don't know what is going on. Then it's like people, scrolling around in the dark. So the skills is there to accelerate what I believe, and I said your retirement, because that's what we're working to. It's not about stopping early, it's about gaining options. And this is what this is going to do, help you build um, disciplined habits, reduce monthly financial pressure, create leverage. There's the word leverage by using systems. How do you use systems? You plug in. If you're not plugged in, you don't know what to do. Develop income, and now obviously I'm going to go through all of this. It is on all the other slides as well. So why the 7 skill matters? They are exact skills required to move from income dependency to time freedom. So if you want time freedom, master this as you go. This is not spending 4 years at, some for degrees and all of that. It's not that. It is actually so easy. Most people delay because they rely on motivation, income instead of systems, effort instead of duplication. The 7 skills correct that. Well, it's not 7, it's 10. My apologies. I haven't fixed that. Sorry, it's not 7, it's 10. I know Mr. Gianni was going to tell me, hey, you made a mistake. Anyway, you see, nobody's perfect. Got a hair here in my eye. Anyway, let's go. So the outcome, if you master and apply the 10 skills, you build habits, you will stop chasing results and create momentum, and you will develop trailblazers. And we're going to chat about that tonight. Now, you accelerate your retirement by building something that continues to work when you step back. So when do people retire? Not at 65. I still believe with every fiber in my being, if you are consistent doing the basics for 2 years, you will be able to make serious decisions in your life. It's not about doing more, it's about doing right things consistently. There's the key. Anyway, so 12 reasons why plugging into the Nutec system empowers members to success. I'm going to say that again. 12 reasons why plugging in to the system will empower you to success. Number 1, the system creates direction. Most people drift through life reacting to circumstances. Think about that. Plugging into Nutec system gives members a roadmap, a structure, a clear path of growth. Direction turns effort into progress. The system builds daily discipline. Success rarely comes from one big decision. Yes, you're going to make one emotional decision and say, man, I'm going diamond. And then what? You can say it as many times as you want. You can write it on the wall. You can put it on your cupboard. You can put it on the fridge. But if you do not do this daily small actions, it's not happening. So Nantec system trains us to introduce consistently, attend training, and follow a simple structure because discipline becomes a habit. The system develops personal growth. Most people stop learning after school, and that's a fact. Growth determines income and influence. Now, yes, through the legacy learning program, it is going to do a lot, but also the leadership development and the skill building. Growth expands possibility, and you have full access to the Nantex Academy. I would love to get some guru somewhere and tell them, come and have a look at our stuff. And I'm telling you, they will be blown out of the water with the stuff that there is already. The system strengthens financial awareness. Many people work for money without understanding money. If people understood money, they would have some. Anadex introduced members to financial systems, wealth thinking, and small financial habits. Financial awareness is the first step towards wealth. There's that word again. The system creates additional income potential. A job creates one income stream. Plugging into another system allows members to build part-time based, people-based rewards and incentives and long-term scalable growth. This introduces the possibility of financial expansion beyond a salary. The system provides real members benefits. Unlike many other stuff out there, Nantex begins with value, groceries, emergency travel, education, financial services. The system improves everyday life, not just income. The system builds confidence. When people start sharing value and helping others, that's the mindset. I'm not here to sell anything to anybody. If I could show you how to save, get benefits, start accumulating gold, would you look? That's it. That's it. If it's a yes, we go forward. Next step. If it's no, no worries. I'm here if anything changes. I'll just help somebody else in the meantime. Confidence becomes a personal asset. As you grow, your confidence will become a weapon. It will become your shield to protect you. System creates positive community. Environment shapes outcome, and Antex creates a network of people that is focusing on what? We're not focusing on the money. We're not focusing on the hype, on the, the roo-rah, la, la, la. No. We focused on growth, opportunity, expansion, encouragement, and collaboration. Being surrounded by forward-thinking people changes perspective. The system strengthens family stability. When families have access to benefits, financial support system, and education opportunities, the entire household benefits. And Nantex is designed to serve the whole family, not just the one. System builds leadership. Leadership is not a title, it is influence. As members grow, they naturally begin to guide others, teach the system, and inspire people. And leadership multiplies impact. System encourages emotional strength. Entrepreneurial journeys develop resilience. Members learn to handle rejection, stay motivated, and build persistence. You can only do this if you are plugged in. If somebody's not plugged in, they become cold, they become scared. Emotional strength become a lifelong advantage. And number 12, the system creates long-term vision. Most people think month. Most people today, they're not even thinking about Christmas and December and going away. No, they're just kind of, working flat out for month end. Nantex helps members to think 5 years, 10 years legacy. I think that's probably one of my top 5 favorite words, legacy. Vision changes how decisions are made. Plugging into the system is not just about earning, it is about transforming the way people think, grow, and build a future. It touches personal development, emotional strength, family stability, financial opportunity, leadership growth, and long term wealth potential. And it all begins with one simple decision: plug into the system, stay connected, and do another X. Leadership chooses leverage. Here's a leadership frame: isolation is expensive. Leverage accelerates retirement. Systems exist to carry momentum, take consistency, multiply effort. If somebody avoids systems, they fear the loss of control. 5-step integration. Step 5, duplication depends on systems, not personalities. Here's the bridge. Education plus benefits equals long-term retention. There's the other word. And retention equals long-term income. Application assignment: bring one guest to the growth room. One more, one more, one more. Here's a quote. If you won't plug in, please don't complain about slow progress. That's a tough one. Tools used this week: the growth room, focusing on system thinking, ego removal, and letting structure do the work. The Zoom integration, there's objective. Shift reliance from individuals to system. Everything funnels to the Zooms. Leadership principle: if it depends on you, it limits you. WhatsApp presentation integration, the system first culture. Here's the instruction: share the official presentations only. Do not reinvent the wheel. No personalized stuff. So many people want to kind of reinvent it. Why? I spoke about McDonald's the other day. If you buy a franchise, you can't make the McDonald's M kind of blue because you like it. No, that would be not a very wise decision. There's a duplication moment. Teach. If you duplicate personalities, growth breaks. I can't be you and you cannot be me. If I duplicate systems, growth accelerates. Growth rooms trains leaders or trailblazers. Zoom builds belief. WhatsApp builds behavior. And when all three work together, man, the future is better. 5-step focus. Systemizing step 1 to 4. Leadership context. The system exists to remove personal dependency. If your business needs your energy, your retirement slows down. Integration, step 1 to 4 are system driven. It is literally copy paste. You do something, you get a response. What's the next step? It is system driven, not personal driven. Leaders stop doing private explanations. I will never phone somebody on behalf of somebody else and say something other than what is in the official scripts. I won't. Not duplication. Everything funnels to the Zooms and the WhatsApp. Leadership skills development for this week is humility, system trust, leverage thinking. A leader at your level stops being the hero, builds around systems. Trailblazers attributes. Trailblazers must develop ego awareness, teachability, long-term scalability thinking, because trailblazers choose leverage over recognition. Here's a leadership growth indicator. You are progressing when your business works without you talking. Your new members grow without direct dependence on you. That's the goal. action alignment. Now, we don't give homework, we give action alignment, and it fits Danantek's philosophy perfectly. Actions aligned with vision, systems, and retirement acceleration. This week's action alignment is simple but powerful. Listen to this recording as many times as you can. Attend every official session available. Plug every prospect into the system immediately. Transfer authority away from yourself. Teach one person the exact system. And track system usage, not personal effort. I know that's a lot, but please go and listen to it again. So next week, hopefully, probably, possible, we'll do skill 7, which is teach duplication and promote. This is power, this one. But I still believe plugging into the system, because if I plug people into the system, somebody else or something else, a system is carrying the weight, the responsibility, the answers. That's the power of what it is that we have.